Hey, I just managed to fix Gmail verification code not received. As you can see, I just managed to log in on my Gmail account, and I'll show you how you can do it as well on any iPhone and on any Android device. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the idea is to get 100k by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around this video, or if you have another issue that you want us to cover within one of the next videos. We'll try to make a video on it within a week, let's say. So what you want to do is actually go on your settings, and it's basic, but make sure you don't have airplane mode on. And also do not disturb when you swipe up is not on. That's very important, obviously. The next thing you want to do is go down to your settings, click on messages, and go down to filter unknown senders. It basically sorts messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So obviously you probably haven't added Google's SMS bot's phone number. So if you have this option on, you won't really see the verification code from Google. So you want to have it on off, and also make sure that you're not actually blocking Google's number. So you want to go on block contacts. I won't open it because I don't want you to see mine. And make sure that their number is not here. Also do that on phone. When you click on phone, go to silence unknown callers. You want to have that off. And block contacts, you want to have it, you want to make sure that Google's number isn't there. So this is all you can do. If this video helped you out, again, give me a like for the algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So when you subscribe, you help us out and we can help you out. And if you're still having any issues, comment them down below. And if you're one of the committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video.